Hi friends and welcome back. And if you're first time visited to my channel, welcome to my happy home. You guys, in this video I am going to be creating a farmhouse style centerpiece with my own twist. And for this centerpiece I am going to be using these super cool and super cute string of pearl succulents. And I have this eucalyptus foliage. I have 2 pieces. I'm also going to be adding these scented rose petals, and I'm using the pink to give it that pop of color to go with my decor. I'm also going to be using some tulips and these super cute furry or hairy white stones. I'm also going to be needing 3 of these large Yankee Candle jars, and for the centerpiece I will be using this candle holder. And as a base I am going to be using this simple white wooden tray. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to create, then keep on watching. And this is how it turned out. I am so loving this end result. It is so simple yet so clean and neat, and with all the greeneries and the pop of pink makes it really come to life, and it fits perfectly in my decor. And since it doesn't get really dark here till after 10 p.m. By the time I will be in bed already, I thought I'd show you the piece with the candle on. I am so loving it when the candle is burning and that glow of pink is showing. So yeah, this is it, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and that I was able to inspire you. If you liked it, don't forget to give that thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.